What is up, beautiful babes? Listen, today is special because y'all are going to be hanging out with me while I do my brows. But today is a different kind of brow game. This is something that I have done in the past, and I'm pretty sure I've recorded it, put it on YouTube, or perhaps on my Amazon storefront, regarding this MinaiBrow Tint kit. Yes, we're going to do it today, and let's say do it again today, because there are times when I do shave the outer portion of my brows, and you look in the mirror and you think, my brows need help, but I don't want to use anything harsh like harsh dyes or spend a fortune at the salon, which I can't do anyway. So, hey, what I do is I do something like this. Because, I get tired of my patchy brows or tired of products that fade too fast, or just, there are things out there that can make your skin irritated. So I decided to try something natural again, and I loved it the first time, and let me tell you, I'm glad I did it again. So that's what we're up to today. So let's talk about what we're going to be doing. First, we'll go ahead and get everything kind of cleaned up before we get into all of that, and we'll get started with the fun. So right now, I'm just cleaning up my brows and getting rid of all of the, long little hair that grows here and there. And also, I went ahead and whisked off the hair that had grown at the end of my brows. And we'll get into what we're doing today. So let's talk about this MinaiBrow Tint kit in dark brown. It's not just a brow powder. It's a whole experience, y'all. I love that it's made with plant-based ingredients like cassia, obavada, leaf powder, aloe vera, jojoba oil, no ammonia, no lead, and definitely no harsh chemical smell. It gives you instant brow color with the added bonus of actually nourishing your brows over time. If you're wondering how it holds up, let me tell you, this stuff is waterproof, smudge-proof, and long-lasting. Once I apply it, I know my brows are locked in all day. No weird fading or patchy spots halfway through the day. Plus, it really does cover grays. Yes, I said it, 100% gray coverage. That looks super natural. And what really makes it work for me is how easy it is to use. This kit comes with a brush and oil, so it's all right there. Just dip, apply, blend, and boom, natural looking brows in minutes. And unlike chemical dyes that dry out your skin or make your hair brittle, this actually feels hydrating. My brows have never looked fuller, softer, and healthier. If you're on the fence about using brow color at home, or you've had bad experiences with dyes before, this kit is your glow up in a box. No salon visits, no scary chemicals, just gorgeous brows that stay put and look effortless. Let's go ahead and get this done now. So I needed to apply a second coat, and that's what I'm getting ready to do now. Very simple. Y'all, this mix is simple. You just mix it with a little water and you're ready to go. I have the brushes that I'm using, but I did convert over to my normal brow brush that I use when I use my powders. So I have switched over to that, or I will be in just a little bit during this video, because it was just so much easier for me to utilize it versus the brush that it came with. But you can do your own thing. And hey, let's jam out the music. Y'all see the process, and we'll await the finished results.
Look you see, a woman of power, wild and free. Through all the struggles, through all the pain.
Okay, y'all, I finished my brows, and you know, I like it because of the fact that, you know, I really don't have to do a whole lot other than kind of like shape them up with like a brow pencil or my brow powder. So it makes the process pretty simple. So I really like it. I do. So that's what it looks like now. Yeah. Don't have to worry about them rubbing off. So all I have to do is just take, like I said, a little brow pencil or brow powder and get the process like really sharpened if I want to. But if not, I can say I woke up like this. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. There you go. The link is in the description box. Okay, y'all. Amazon. I did that. And it wasn't bad at all, actually. And if you're working on trying to get your brows like thicken up, they do have with a kit that I purchased, the brow oil that you can start using to thicken them up. But me, of course, I recently just started back shaving the outer portion of my brows because, you know, I'm just trying to get that lifted look, girl. You know, girl, I'm trying to get that lifted look. That's where she at right now. So that's it, y'all. I'm out of here. Y'all take care.